In my video, I chose to discuss climate change in Finland, as well as study what things Finland is doing to reduce the effects of climate change and become a more sustainable nation. Finland lies in northern Europe, where it borders Sweden, Norway, and Russia. The capital of Finland is Helsinki, which is also its largest city. Politically, Finland is a democratic country led by an elected prime minister. They are often ranked the happiest country in the world and are known for having a very high quality of life. The major industries of Finland are forestry and manufacturing, specifically manufacturing electronics and chemicals. Finland's landscape is made up primarily of coniferous forests. There are also a great deal of lakes. Finland's climate is influenced by the Gulf Stream current off of Norway's west coast. Their summers are warm and their winters are cold with a great deal of snowfall. Average summer temperatures fall between 13 and 17 degrees Celsius, and average winter temperatures fall between -22 and 3 degrees Celsius. Finland's energy profile consists of 38% fossil fuels, 27% renewables, and 25% wood burning. They produce 44.7 million tons of CO2 annually. Though the current effects of climate change are sometimes subtle, Finnish scientists have noted some concerning consequences in recent patterns. Overall, temperatures in Finland are rising. Since 2010, scientists recorded 102 days of record-breaking temperatures, and the mean temperature has risen 2% since the late 19th century. There has also been an increase in extreme weather events such as storms. In the past few years, for the first time in recorded history, scientists are observing that the lakes in southern and western Finland aren't staying frozen through the winter, which they believe may be harming native fish. Lastly, scientists are noticing a lot of species migration, which has changed the biological landscape of Finland. For example, in 2012, a species of fly previously only found in England, Denmark, the Czech Republic, and Hungary was found in southern Finland. Scientists are concerned that these newly introduced species may be causing harm to the native species of Finland. In the future, scientists expect that many of the patterns currently observed will become worse. Average temperatures, precipitation, wind, and extreme weather events will rise, and snow cover will decrease. Many lakes will not stay frozen through the winter. All of this will threaten cold-water fish and other species dependent on snow and ice. It will also increase runoff, causing algae blooms, and will cause flooding, which could threaten human life and property. Species migration and the changing climate will threaten many native species, and some may go extinct. There will also be economic loss as a result of climate change. Finland's tourism industry could suffer, as there is a lot of tourism that revolves around snow activities such as skiing and ice fishing. Increased species migration and rising temperatures could also threaten Finland's forestry industry, as pest insects and fungal diseases become more prominent. Overall, Finland takes climate change very seriously and is working hard to address it. Their goal is to reduce the country's greenhouse gas emissions 80 to 95% by 2050. They are working towards this by decreasing their use of fossil fuels and investing more in renewable energy, as well as increasing their overall energy efficiency. They're also working to decrease their waste and pollution. Finland is mindful of the effects climate change will have on their economy. One way they're addressing this is by increasing the sustainability of some of their major industries such as forestry through regulation, research, and education.